Today, we've got some incredible news about Cardano ADA that is setting the crypto world on fire. Are you into ADA? Well, buckle up because Cardano is on a tear. And in today's video, we're going to dive deep into Cardano's recent surge, fueled by explosive growth across key metrics. We'll break down the numbers, explore what's driving this momentum, and discuss what it means for the future of ADA. So, hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date for everything crypto. Let's get into it. So, what's got everyone talking about Cardano lately? Imagine your favorite underdog team suddenly dominating the championship. That's Cardano right now. The recent report from Input-Output Global, IOG, revealed some jaw-dropping stats that you don't want to miss. All right. Let's break it down. So Cardano has always been a promising project, right? But it faced skepticism about its ability to deliver. Critics have often questioned its slow development pace and real-world utility. However, the latest report from IOG showcases significant milestones that counter these doubts. For starters, Cardano has reached an impressive 94 million transactions, highlighting its growing adoption. The total value locked, TVL, in ADA has surged to 548.4 million, showcasing increased investor confidence. But here's the kicker. IOG's data also revealed that Cardano currently hosts over 1,300 projects and boasts over 10 million active tokens. Additionally, showcasing the network's appeal, there are over 67,000 Plutus scripts, enabling the creation of decentralized applications and smart contracts within the Cardano ecosystem. This is like watching a rocket take off. Now, the report also shed light on the current focus of the Ledger team as they await the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 upgrade. Efforts have shifted towards extensive testing, including writing unit tests and conducting conformance testing. On the wallet and service front, the Lace team is preparing for the release of Lace version 1.14 in the coming weeks, promising updates and improvements. The report notes that the Hydra team has progressed on incremental decommits, redefining specifications and enhancing documentation. The 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 team also released a new distribution within the support for Cardano node version 9.0.0 and continued working on certifying Cardano transactions within the 𝗕𝗓𝗪 network. Cardano's progress extends even to the Voltaire domain with the release of Cardano node version 9.0.0. Users, of course, are encouraged to upgrade to this version in preparation of the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 upgrade. Lastly, IOG disclosed that the Intersect team have been actively updating the community on the latest Cardano node release, the 𝗕𝗪 timeline, and the Intersect's Constitutional Council confirmation. Now, let's switch gears just a little bit. Are you tired of trading platforms that don't deliver? Want a seamless and secure crypto trading experience? Well, let me introduce you to 𝗕𝗀𝗃𝗃, a game-changing crypto exchange that will transform your trading. If you're not seeing the profits you deserve, it's time to switch to 𝗕𝗀𝗃𝗃. With top-notch securities, two-factor authentication, and an insurance fund, you can trade with peace of mind. Their robust infrastructure ensures swift and accurate trades, eliminating missed opportunities. 𝗕𝗀𝗃𝗃's clean, intuitive interface is designed for both desktop and mobile. Are you new to crypto? Well, 𝗕𝗀𝗃𝗃 offers tutorials and a supportive community to get you started. Advanced traders will love their wide range of features, low fees, and customizable strategies. Plus, using my affiliate link gives you exclusive discounts and promotions. 𝗕𝗃𝗃's copy trading feature lets you mimic successful traders, perfect for earning while you learn. The active community and 24/7 customer support enhance your trading experience. Are you ready to level up? Well, click the affiliate link in the description down below to sign up and get access to exclusive perks that you'll only find with that link. With 𝗕𝗃𝗃, trading crypto is exciting and profitable. Don't wait, join the 𝗕𝗃𝗃 family and start making serious gains today. Okay, let's talk about some of those stats in a little bit more detail. Here on our membership website, we have access to all the on-chain data that you could dream of when it comes to Cardano. Here we have a brief overview where we can see, the previous all-time high, the date of the all-time high, all that kind of good stuff. We're not going to focus so much on the general stuff here. We're going to first of all take a look at the network analysis. Here we can see things like your circulating supply, your total supply, your max supply, the market cap, the realized market market cap, which, guys, is worth noting just here at the top of the screen. The difference between market cap and realized market cap. Market cap is just that simple calculation of price multiplied by circulating supply. Realized market cap is the price that people actually paid, taking a snapshot of when those assets were last moved and multiplying that by the supply. That basically gives you an idea that actually at the moment we can see 17 billion in realized market cap, 15 billion in theoretical market cap based on the simplistic calculation. This means that more people actually, or people generally, paid more for ADA than that's actually worth today, right? We know this, we see that within the stats as well. But it's interesting to kind of note. The important thing here, though, is that there are 4.4 million addresses for Cardano. 26,000 of them were active in the last 24 hours. 21,000 of those received ADA. 19,400 were sending ADA. That means there's a lot of overlap between there as well, but it's interesting to kind of see. Transactions in the last 24 hours were 38,000. The fees were only $5,000. And yeah, it's really interesting to see in terms of native tokens, that was $11,800. And we had 4,170 blocks added in the last 24 hours. Currently, there's 10,600 blocks in terms of the height. Inflation, there's about 0.0017% daily and about 0.63% yearly. New issuance, we can see that there were 608,000 ADA issued in the new issuance in the last 24 hours or so, which equates to about $271,000. That's basically, ADA rewards for stake pools and stuff like that. Now, when we take a look at this, we want to jump down. We could take a look at the wallet counts, find out who's holding ADA and all that kind of stuff. I'm not going to focus so much on that. I do want to focus here today on more of the total value locked, because this one kind of stumps a lot of people, because depending on how you want to look at the market, this will give you different results. If you take a look at the market always from a dollar value point of view, and then you can see total value locked fluctuating with, of course, the price action. Okay, so here we can see that in the last 180 days, total value locked based on dollars is actually down 21.49%. In the last 90 days, it's down 18%. Okay, we can see in the last 30 days, it's up 13% after that initial crash. Now, what's really interesting is when you start actually looking at this from a native token point of view. Are people really fluctuating in and out, or is TVL just kind of giving you a skewed approach based on the value of the actual asset? Well, here we can see in the last 180 days, it's actually only down 14.31%. So we were talking about 21%, but actually from a native token point of view, it's 14%. Okay, it's interesting. Now, from a 90-day point of view, it's 8.92%, but from a dollar value, it's 18%. So we can note that actually the total value locked from an ADA perspective is actually holding up a lot better than the value of the actual asset, meaning that TVL is fluctuating more dramatically based on price action than it is actually based on people who are removing their ADA from being locked up, for example. So it's actually holding up a lot better, with current value at 569.9 million ADA locked up. Okay, so it's actually up 4.03% in the last 7 days. So it's been pretty decent to see some pretty good growth here for Cardano's ADA, right? We can see that right in here. And I wanted to kind of bring this data up just to kind of showcase to you guys. I'm not just reading stuff from an article. This is stuff that our members have access to, and they can see this stuff every single day, right? They can jump into there. You can see the overview, the network analysis, the wallet analysis, the supply analysis, the exchanges. If you really wanted to, you could even check out the liquidations, where those liquidations are coming from in the last 24 hours, for example. We can see here that Binance is the exchange with the most amount of liquidations when it comes to Cardano. Total liquidations across all exchanges are $354,000. 92.42% are long positions, 7.58% are short positions. This is because we're currently seeing a bit of a move to the downside in the market over the kind of last couple of days or so. But I do think we're gearing up for a bit of a rebound and a bit of a run to the upside, where we're going to probably see those long positions actually starting to come into profit and the short positions getting liquidated. Some interesting stuff here. Now, Binance was responsible for 97% of all liquidations when it comes to ADA. It's just mind-blowing, right? $215,000. This is the data that obviously you can have access to as members of Cheeky Crypto. For more details, do join us down in our free Discord, where we can have a lot more kind of communications over how to join and all that kind of stuff if you're interested. But TVL is the main point of today's video, and we can see some great, great metrics here that are actually holding up much better than may be perceived. There are going to be people who will only look at the dollar value and they won't take into consideration the actual native currency, or in this particular case, Cardano's ADA. So we obviously did peak much higher, right? This is something that has come back down quite aggressively since we peaked back in October here. We can see that there was about 704 million in terms of native ADA locked up. They did see a spike back up in April as well, around the 595 million ADA. So it has come down a fair chunk. In the last year, it's about 6.62%. In the last 6 months, we are talking 14.31%, but it's nowhere near as dramatic as that 21% or 18% that we are seeing when it comes to the value of ADA, dollar value and all that kind of good stuff. So for investors and crypto enthusiasts, this means now is potentially a prime time to keep a close eye on Cardano. With ADA trading above the key 200-day exponential moving average, the EMA, and a 154% increase in trading volume, the bullish sentiment is strong. Remember, always do your own research and consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risks. In conclusion, Cardano's latest achievements and upcoming upgrades position it as a formidable player in the crypto market. The network's explosive growth in key metrics is a testament to its potential and the community's confidence. Keep an eye on ADA and stay informed about the latest developments to make strategic investment decisions. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto insights. Hit that bell icon so you never miss another update. And why don't you drop a comment down below? What's your thoughts on Cardano's recent growth? If you want to know more about Cardano ADA price predictions for the short, medium, and long term, click here where I go through my latest ADA technical analysis. Until next time though, guys, keep those wallets secure and those hopes high.